Hi everyone. Okay, so I have my Sampler February kit, I think it is. Yep, February kit. So let's see what we got. So it is going to be cut to the good stuff. All right, let's see what we got. I'm so excited. What is our coupon? 15% off of bee plaids. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get out our little chart here and figure out. Oh, wait, dude. OMG. Holy smokes, you guys. This is my favorite rotary cutter. And I saw Kimberly using this on her last video, the coral. And I was like, oh man, I would love the coral one. Because this is my favorite blade to use. And holy smokes. Yes. It's like a coral. To me it's coral, but I mean maybe to other people it could be a flamingo pink. Oops, sorry guys, sorry. Oh, this is the absolute best score. It's probably the best thing we've gotten so far from our kits. Oh, we only got a few things, so that's okay. Worth it. So this right here is $32.98. So $32.98. Then we got a friction ball pen, $2.98, which I love the friction stuff, so that's okay. And then we got our peaceful baskets. This is a $4.98 value. And then we got this one, cheerful quilt pattern. This is what it looks like. That is really pretty. Okay. This should be a value of $9.98, I believe. Yeah, $9.98. And last but not least, we got, oh, this is bee plaids. This is, no, this is Peace and Plenty by Lori Holt. So cool. It's a junior roll. So it's the Peace and Plenty 10-inch stacker. So, and it's valued at $22.48. And there's 24 pieces in here. Good score, you guys. Really good score. I know it's little. It's a little one, but to me, yeah. I think our total is like $45 for this kit each month. So, yeah, super thrilled about it. Alright, guys. That was it. We'll talk to you all later. It was a really simple one, right? Like 3-minute video. Alright, guys. Take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.